Now the second sum is, from the following data, calculate the what you have to calculate. First one, break even point expressed in the amount of sales in the rupees. Okay, you have to find out BEP. सबसे पहले क्या find out करने बोला है? They have asked us to find out BEP but in rupees. Fine. Second one, number of units that must be sold to earn a profit of rupees 1,60,000 per year. हम कितने units को sale कर सकते हैं so that we can earn a profit of 1,60,000 for whole of the year. तो हमें क्या करना है? दिस इज नथिंग बट दे आर आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड आउट द रिक्वायर्ड सेल्स. ठीक है, पूछ रहे हमें कि आप सेल्स फाइंड आउट करके दो जब आपने ये सोच के रखा है कि आपको वो सेल्स पर 1,60,000 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द इंफॉर्मेशन दे हैव गिवन? सेलिंग प्राइस इज गिवन 20 per unit. Variable manufacturing as well as the variable selling cost is given. So class, like this, whenever they have given us the variable, both the manufacturing and selling cost ka units, so what you can do, you can add the units together and you can write it down. I'm just writing down over here. Variable cost per unit is equal to rupees 11 plus rupees 3, which will be equal to rupees 14. Same way, they have given us the fixed factory overheads and the fixed selling cost. So हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों को ऐड करके टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट लिखेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द टोटल फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट? इट कम्स टू 7,92,000 रुपीज. नाउ जब भी ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है ना, आई विल सजेस्ट यू जस्ट लाइक हम जैसे बनाते थे अपना परफॉर्मा मार्जिनल कॉस्ट शीट का, द सेम फर्स्ट वी विल प्रिपेयर. सेल्स माइनस वेरिएबल कॉस्ट गिव्स मी द कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन माइनस फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट विल गिव मी द प्रॉफिट. Now what is the selling price per unit is given? Per unit हमें 20 दिया. So I will be writing down 20 in the per unit column. Variable manufacturing cost and selling cost को add करके हमने यहाँ पर find out किया. How much we are getting? 14. So what is the contribution? 20 minus 14 will give you the 6 rupees. So 6 rupees is your contribution. अब हमने ये दोनों फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट को एड अप किया एंड वी गॉट अ फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट ऑफ हाउ मच? 7,92,000. So that I have written in the amount column. Fine. So we cannot see, we don't have a how much units are been sold. तो हम यहाँ पर टोटल फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, we cannot find it out the total because we don't have a units with sold given. अब देखो, सबसे पहले क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे? बीईपी के लिए what is the formula for the BEP? Fixed cost divide by PV ratio, and they have asked us to find out in the rupees. अगर हमें units में पूछा होता तो we would have written fixed cost divide by contribution per unit. ठीक है, so now in the rupees they have asked us to find it out. उसके लिए हमें पहले सबसे पहले PV ratio find out करना पड़ेगा. Why? Because in the denominator we have a formula PV ratio. ठीक है, PV ratio has been used in the denominator. तो we will first find PV ratio. क्या फॉर्मूला था? Contribution divide by sales into 100. मैम हमें अमाउंट नहीं दिया है, we don't have a amount. How we will be taking the contribution divide by sales into 100? Fine. You have a per unit, you can even find it out the PV ratio through a per unit. How? You can take contribution per unit divide by sales per unit into 100. So we have a contribution per unit 6 rupees. Divide by sales per unit we have, that is 20 rupees into 100 you do. कितना मिला? Just calculate and see how much you are getting. 30%. So we got a PV ratio of 30%. So whenever the amount is not given but the units are given, how you can calculate it? Same way. You take a per unit and you calculate it off. Now let's see. जो first हमें पूछा है वो find out करेंगे. The first which they have asked us is break even point in the sale. Do we have a fixed cost? Yes, we have a fixed cost. कितना है? 7,92,000. Divide by PV ratio. We have already calculated the PV ratio now. So this will be equal to how much? 7,92,000 divided by 30%. This will give me 26 lakh 40,000. 6,40,000. Now the next thing which they have asked us is to find out the number of units which are being sold. That is, they want us to find out the required sales. So sales unit to earn a profit of 1,60,000 per year. So what is the formula for finding out this required sale? Fixed cost plus desired profit divide by contribution per unit. तो अब देखो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट कितना है हमारे पास. डू वी हैव अ फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट? यस, वी हैव अ फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट 7,92,000 प्लस डिजायर्ड प्रॉफिट. कितना हमें प्रॉफिट चाहिए? हमें प्रॉफिट चाहिए 1,60,000 का. And we have to divide it by a contribution per unit. Do we have a contribution per unit? Yes, class, we have it. See how much? 6 rupees. So divided by 6. Let's find out. 7,92,000 plus 1,60,000 divided by 6. You will be getting 1,58,666.6666 आ रहा है ना, तो round it off to 67. And they have asked us to find out in the units. So write down units. So with this, we have completed with this sum.